Absolument. My name's Henri, best known on the interwebs as Henri Helvetica. I'm from the greatest city on the planet, which is Toronto, Canada. Man, New York, there's no place like it. It's always fun. I mean, if you've never heard like honking before, come to New York, because that's all that happens here. But no, honestly, it was great. I landed. It was a beautiful sunny day. I went to the library. It was super awesome. So I love New York. Man, it's been great, and I feel like I benefited from like just the energy and the interest. First of all, from the attendees. Hint, hint. I gave a talk, and just I had a lot of questions. A lot of people just came to me with just like that really just fresh developer energy, and they just want to discuss like things that they're working on and ask me questions about some other stuff. And on top of that, it's always good to get to run into some speakers that you don't often get to run into, for whatever reason. So the energy's been like pretty awesome. By coming to something like this, React Summit US, you are basically getting a piece of, I'd say intelligentsia. A lot of great thinkers are here, a lot of great developers too. But the discussions that are had, the talks that are being given, at the very least, I think will make you sort of like think about things at work or whatever your project you're working on. And again, I just heard this from developers who I spoke with who were like, we've been thinking about this, this, and this, and next year this is going to happen. So, thank you. So it's I think you gain a lot of insights that you might not necessarily get from like watching video or like reading a doc or something like that. Well, thank you for asking. As I said in my talk, I'm a bit of a distance runner, so I try to train for a 5-10K, to try to run it as fast as possible. Better yet, I try to stay healthy, so I think that's super duper important. And, I try to run races wherever I can, so, or even go on runs during conferences. Now, I'll be honest, I didn't go for a run yet. It's 0 degrees Celsius, so I didn't have my gloves. I just didn't go, so I have to apologize. That's a really good question. And the kind of work I do, specifically in performance, is really kind of like, look at waterfall charts and, sort of like all this data. Someone I've always enjoyed listening speak about this space is someone by the name of Patrick Meenan, who is the author of an amazing tool called Web Page Test. And he's actually currently working at Chrome, trying to make the web faster. But I've always loved the way he talks about the web, talks about performance, and it's like encyclopedic knowledge. So I aspire to be like that one day.